Welcome back to my another video, because in today's video I will do a review which is my first image. So yeah, before we get started, I have to subscribe my channel. Please click the notification bell and please give me a big thumbs up at the end of this video if you like it. Let's get started. And yeah, my favorite squishy is my bread toast. Okay, so squishy. And my next is my diamond. Okay. And my second bread toast squishy. So yeah. And my next one is bread toast again. I don't like bread, but yeah, I just want to make bread bigger squishy. And my airy paper squishy one. And this is so cute. This is my favorite because I covered all of this. And my next, I forgot what its name, so I just want to make plain, but yeah. By the way, guys, I made a slime. A slime. This is so cool. Yeah.
Ay mula sa China ay nagsasabi rin na magkakaroon ng direktang pagsamo sa lupa ang naturang sama ng panahon. Habang may iilan na mga ahensya ang nagsasabi na labas ng lupa ng Pilipinas ang magiging daan o track nitong bagyong Umpong at katulad ng South Korea
And I
Weather
love
Agency,
the color.
ay dun sa extreme northern Luzon at walang kakagipig na. Pero problema, mas marami yung ahensya na nakatutok dito na nagsasabi na malaki ang tsansa magkaroon ng landfall. Kasama na yung pag-asa, ang sinasabi nga nila, Batanes sa Cagayan area, yung maaaring maging daan ng naturang sama ng panahon. May mga tinatawag ba tayong area of uncertainty at ito yung sinasabing pataan kung sakasakali na magkaroon ng konting mga paggalaw.
So yeah, I'm done. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe my channel, comment down below, and please click the notification bell, and yeah, please give me a big thumbs up.